problems affecting the ocean also affect us, because we depend on it to exist. As Alexander von Humboldt said, in nature, everything is connected. And today we will explore water pollution, a problem that spreads like an ink stain in the water, affecting everything around it. First question is, what is water pollution? It is the introduction of harmful substances into bodies of water such as rivers, lakes, and the ocean. These substances can be classified into three types: chemical, physical, and biological. The first one, chemical. They alter the composition of the water and can be very toxic. Examples include pesticides, heavy metals like mercury and cadmium, and then pharmaceuticals, and the excess of nutrients that cause eutrophication. The next one is physical. This one changes the properties of water, such as its clarity, temperature, or flow. These include sediments like sand and soil, plastic, microplastic, hot industrial wastewater, and solid waste like tires and cans. And the last one, biological substances. This refers to living organisms or substances that can spread diseases or harm marine life. Examples include pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Also, toxic algae that can kill fish and even affect humans. And organic waste like feces, which consume oxygen and suffocate aquatic life. Second question is, where does this pollution come from? We have 4 factors. The first one is industrial waste. The release of heavy metals like mercury and cadmium and toxic substances. The second one is agriculture, which is the excessive use of fertilizers that disrupt the water balance. Third one, oil spills, like the accidents on oil platforms and tankers. Well, that one poisons marine life. And the last one are domestic wastewaters that contains waste, hygiene products, and other pollutants. Next question is, how does it affect the ocean? The first problem is loss of biodiversity. Many species decrease or disappear due to toxic pollutants, eutrophication, that I'm going to explain that later, and lack of oxygen in so-called dead zones. Now, eutrophication. Gabriela, what is eutrophication? What is this? Well, this happens when excess nutrients cause uncontrolled algae growth, blocking sunlight. And without light, aquatic plants die, and oxygen is depleted, affecting all marine life. Now we have 2 unusual terms that are bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Imagine this like a snowball rolling downhill. Bioaccumulation occurs when an organism absorbs pollutants throughout its life, and biomagnification happens when those pollutants become more concentrated as they move up the food chain, severely affecting the predators. And the last topic, water quality. But here are like 2 topics about it. First one, change in salinity and pH can cause ocean acidification, harming corals and reducing marine populations. And the second and the last one, thermal pollution caused by hot industrial wastewater alters ocean temperature and endangers species sensitive to their environment, to their temperatures. Today, we learn how our actions affect the water that sustains life. A healthy ocean is not a dream but a goal we can achieve if we work together, like a school of fish moving in harmony. See you in the next video, and remember, the more we know, the more we love.